In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer a domain from Namecheap to Cloudflare. We'll focus on the practical steps you need to take inside Namecheap after Cloudflare has provided your name servers, and I'll explain what's happening along the way so it all makes sense. First, let's quickly set the stage. You've already set up your site in Cloudflare, added your domain, and Cloudflare has given you two name servers. They usually look something like example.ns.cloudflare.com and another example.ns.cloudflare.com. These are unique to your domain, so make sure you have the exact pair Cloudflare showed you ready to copy. Now, our goal is to tell Namecheap to stop using its default name servers and instead use the Cloudflare ones. This is what effectively points your domain's traffic through Cloudflare, allowing you to use their DNS, security, and performance features. Go ahead and log into your Namecheap account in your browser. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the section labeled Domain List. This is where all the domains you own in Namecheap are displayed. Find the domain you've already added to Cloudflare and want to transfer DNS control for. Next, locate the Manage button next to that domain. Click it to open the detailed settings for that specific domain. You'll be taken to a page with several tabs and options. The one we're interested in right now is the area that controls name servers. On this page, look for a field or drop-down labeled Name Servers. By default, it might be set to something like Namecheap Basic DNS or another preset option. To connect your domain to Cloudflare, you need to switch this setting. Open that dropdown and choose the option called Custom DNS. This tells Namecheap that you want to manually specify which name servers to use rather than relying on their default ones. Once you select Custom DNS, you should see at least two input fields appear for name servers. Now go back to the Cloudflare tab in your browser and carefully copy the first name server they gave you. Return to the Namecheap tab and paste that first Cloudflare name server into the first field. Then go back to Cloudflare, copy the second name server and paste it into the second field in Namecheap. Take a moment to double check both entries. Name servers need to be exact. Even a small typo can break your DNS and cause your website or email to stop working temporarily. Confirm that you've copied them exactly as shown in your Cloudflare account. After you've verified the entries, look for a Save button, often highlighted or labeled something like Save or Check. Click that to apply your new name server settings. Namecheap will update the domain configuration, and from this point, the rest of the process is mostly about waiting. DNS changes don't take effect instantly across the entire internet. It can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24-48 hours for the new name servers to fully propagate worldwide, though it often happens much faster. During this time, some visitors might still see the old setup, while others are already routed through Cloudflare. Once propagation has had some time to complete, return to your Cloudflare dashboard and check the domain status. Cloudflare will usually confirm when it detects that your name servers are correctly pointing to them. And that's it. You've updated your name servers in Namecheap to the Cloudflare pair, which is the key step in transferring your domain's DNS control to Cloudflare.